Hey, sweetheart. Oh, wow.
Beep beep.
So much traffic, yeah?
Yes.
Wow. It's a busy city. So we are just gonna walk a little bit right in the downtown of Kuşadası. There's Pudra we are passing by on the way. This is very nice underwear shop because the prices are very affordable. Oh, this guy hit a little bit. Oh, merhaba. Nasılsınız?
You know him, yeah?
Yeah, he's the musician. Next to Kutes, he's always playing there. He's
He
gonna
did
shop for.
something. Hepsi var. Arkada erkekler var. Aha, iç çamaşırı, çorap, her şey var. Ceket mi? Bak bak ya, vardır belki.
He's cold, I guess he wants the pants inside.
Yok, sen Waikiki'ye gideceksin. Altın şurada Waikiki var bak. He was looking for pants.
Wow, it's just so much traffic right now. Everybody hits that corner, it's just so funny. It's just not enough space to turn around, you know?
You need little cars in Kuşadası.
Yeah.
Gir gir. Bura abi, buranın bak ikinci kat. Erkek gözü ikinci kat.
The guy looking for pants. The musician wants pants?
Yeah.
Yes. Waikiki is the best referral, baby. The best place to get the pants.
İkinci katı var. Burada çok çeşit var bak. Yukarıda merdiven var ya.
He didn't want it, look. Don't push him.
I'm too pushy, yeah.
Let him choose. Wow, there's a lot of traffic here.
Yes, traffic both ways.
This is where you can buy a lottery ticket. I think you can make bets here on like horse races. I don't know, but some kind of bets you can make. Look, the musician didn't buy pants yet. He's still shopping.
What?
He's still shopping for pants, look.
Really?
Let's see where he's gonna go. Let's follow him.
What's the best place for him? I don't know.
He's the main character of our video.
For woman. Burada da değil sana göre abi. Defak, bu da sana göre değil. Yok. Yok, bu bayan. Defakto mu? Defakto mu? Ha, burası bak. Ha, şu beyaz bina var ya bak. Hemen oraya git. Üst kata çıkacaksın orada da.
Gelen üst kata.
Çıkamıyor musun sen?
Geliyorum.
Çıkamıyor musun üst kata?
Yok, bilmem üst katta be.
Yok, ikinci kat ya. Asansör binmeyeceksin. Belki birinci kattadır. Gel gel. Karamsar olma o kadar, gel.
O dediğin pantolon vardı da al sana gidelim. Bir pantolon aldım sana.
Vardır orada, gel.
He really wants to buy pants.
Değil mi?
Ya
It's a
ne
good
gerek
man,
var?
you know?
Gir al işte ya.
Tamam, daha iyi.
Gel buraya. Sen ne yapıyorsun?
It's a little bit cold day today, plus 12 maybe. It's the middle of March. So this is like the last cold days that we get before the summertime comes. And now the musician is going to de facto.
He has a phobia. He cannot go up floors. That's why he didn't go there. He's scared, he said. He wants first
But
floor.
look, third and fourth erkek.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe they're gonna help him in first floor.
Just wait, he's waiting for you to leave and he's gonna come out.
Really? I'm too pushy, my God.
Maybe he's like me, when you give advice, he doesn't want to do it.
Let's see who's gonna come out of that.
There's the sea. Some of the sea you can see now.
No, he didn't.
He didn't?
Let's go to Starbucks. I want to get coffee. What do you think?
Okay, wow, it's windy and cold. Not that cold, but I mean, like people are not shivering when they pass by. You can see them walking with open jackets and relaxing and enjoying. There is no clouds, maybe a few clouds actually, in the sky. Very nice, but very like a lot of wind I can feel on our microphones. Taxi drivers are hanging out, waiting for customers.
Hey, yavrum, hey.
And here's the Starbucks right next to Elida Hotel. I mean, underneath Elida Avantgarde.
So we had a code. Now we enter the code and we go inside.
Yeah, we have a HES code which determines if you have COVID or not or in your proximity. And then we are gonna buy coffee. Our Starbucks looks very similar to any foreign Starbucks. They're following the rules very strictly here. As you see, every second table is separated with these tapes so that you keep the social distance. So some of the tables are actually taped off and some are available to sit down. Okay. And then the customers are enjoying the Starbucks day. Sweetheart, what are you gonna get?
Regular black.
Oh, very nice.
Filter coffee, you know, like.
You see, he holds his phone ready because they will check for his HES
He's
code.
checking the hash codes on the line.
So there's like a little barcode that you have to have, which is your own HES code. And everybody does that, they are preparing. And there you have it. In your beautiful Kuşadası. In a town that you miss so much. If you come again, you can come and sit at Starbucks or Candan. Enjoy the view, enjoy the sunshine. See you in Kuşadası.